Hey there, Bob Deeks with RDC Fine Homes. I am here in Lytton, British Columbia. You may remember the summer of 2021, there was a devastating fire that ripped through this village and burned almost every single building. We have been working with our clients for the last 18 months on a rebuild plan, and I'm very, very excited to announce that we have a plan. We're here today just going over our excavation strategy. Our goal is to get a foundation in before the end of this year. We are working with M builders out of Lethbridge, Alberta on a modular plan that will accelerate the construction of the house. Hoping to have those modules here end of February, early March to get the home completed sometime early summer. Just want to give a great shout out to our product partners. We've got 3M builders, of course, Owens Corning, who is going to provide the insulation both inside the walls as well as an exterior insulation strategy. We're going to use their mineral wool product that gives us the extra thermal performance we need for our net zero label, as well as building in some extra fire resilience. Panasonic is going to help out with heat pump for heating and cooling. They're going to provide solar panels on the roof, battery backup for those periods when the power goes out, as well as an energy recovery ventilator for our fresh air delivery system. And of course, great shout out to 3M builders that's coming to the table to help us on this net zero build. We are looking at a full net zero, so that would be a house that can produce as much energy as it uses. So stay tuned. Looking forward to an update here in the next 6 to 8 weeks as the foundation goes in. Thanks for watching.